Yeah, so you know when you've made it big on YouTube, when this happens.
This is me, but it's not my channel.
Yeah, this channel with 100 subscribers just stole one of my videos. And the crazy thing is, I didn't even know about it, and it happened 10 months ago when my channel only had a couple of hundred subscribers. So is this a massive problem where scumbags can steal smaller content creators' videos, re-upload them, and basically get the same amount of views? Or is there something else going on here? Now, as I just said, I had no idea that this had happened. And it was actually one of you guys that brought it to my attention. Because recently I just uploaded my 1000 subscriber special, which went down really, really well. You guys have been amazing showing support on that. The comments have been awesome. But it was one comment in particular that caught my eye. This comment. I actually got to your channel via the Ali Abdaal video. I really liked it and thought it was super well made. But when I went to check out your other videos, there were none. Turns out the channel I was watching on only consisted of your Ali Abdaal video that was stolen. But anyways, I found you, smiley face. By the way, the channel that stole your video is called Money State. And so I went and checked out this channel and yeah, they stole my video, which is kind of ironic because it was a video where I said I'm stealing Ali Abdaal style. So this guy or girl, let's not discriminate, took it really seriously and actually did steal my freaking video, which is, yeah, annoying. But what's even more annoying is he's basically got the same amount of views that I have on my video. And I put in tens of hours, probably like 40 hours of work into this one video. This guy's just taken it and got the same amount of views, which is really annoying. Now you may be thinking at this point, what are you gonna do, Brandon? Are you gonna take his channel on? You're gonna strike him down? Are you gonna reach out to him and send a threatening message saying, take down this video or else? Well, there's a couple of realistic options that we could do here. The first of which is that we could just leave the video out there. Now I know that Jimmy or Mr. Beast actually encourages people to do this because he's talked to other massive creators who have got really annoyed at people re-uploading their work, getting millions of views, and he's like, dude, they're giving you free awareness.
Yeah, I won't say who, but the YouTuber with 20 million subscribers the other day, it's funny, he took the opposite stance. He's like, all these people keep re-uploading my videos on TikTok, and he sent me this one TikTok with like 30 million views where it was just a part of his video, and I was like, I just called him, I was like, you dipshit. You know how many people of that 30 million had no clue who you were? How many viewers that drove to your videos? I was like, what the are you going on about?
Yeah,
you want to strike this? You want to strike these guys for promoting? And they're like, and you know, and then after I like really laid it out, he's like, you know what, you're right.
Which is kind of true because if you look at this video, it's got thousands of views, 7,000 views to be specific. And many of you guys, I imagine, have actually found my channel from watching that video and then come to me. And so I've gained subscribers, I've gained views from just that video being out there. So honestly, it's kind of a net benefit. It is a little bit annoying that this guy is technically benefiting from my work, but ultimately it could be more of an upside for me to leave the video up there. The other thing that we could do is we can take this guy on and we can strike the video, make sure that I retain all ownership of my content, which honestly, I think is gonna be the path I'm gonna be taking today. Not just because I wanna make sure this guy doesn't have my videos on his channel because it's a sketchy channel anyway, but mainly because I wanna see how YouTube treats small creators, whether or not I can actually strike this video and claim it as my own because my channel is not monetized yet. I'm not a part of the YouTube partner program. So do I even have this ability? Right, so we're on the computer now. I have my channel open. I also have the offending video, how to edit like Ali Abdaal, with 7.4 thousand views, posted 10 months ago. So this has been getting views for 10 months and I didn't even know about it. And if we go to this guy's channel, we can actually see that he actually posted the video twice. Pretty sure they're the same duration, 7 minutes and 4 seconds, but it looks like he actually added subtitles to this one. So he put a bit of work in, you know, he avoided the copyright system, obviously. But honestly, it looks like this guy is just trying to pump Andrew Tate stuff, which is even worse, man. But anyway, we're not here to talk about Andrew Tate. We're here to see if I can actually claim these videos. So I don't know if there's a feature on here, if I can click report maybe. Caption issues. Nah, nothing there that allows me to claim it. Nothing in the description either. Come to my channel and copyright, maybe? Removal requests. Okay, so it looks like I should be able to do something here. So I'm gonna click on new removal request. And going through this process was actually pretty easy. You just put in your own personal details, add the links to the offending videos and your original content, and then simply sign a declaration, click submit, and prove you're not a robot. And boom. I now have the 2 removal requests here. It looks like they're in progress, under review, and we'll see how long this takes. And I'll jump back on this video when it's updated.
2 hours later.
All right, so it's been about 2 hours now, and the claim has already gone through and the videos are now removed. So if we go into the copyright tab here, go to removal requests, we can see that it's already resolved. The video is removed, and if I click on the video right now, it's gonna show that it's unavailable because it's been claimed. Let's see what happened to this guy's channel. So if we look at his channel, my videos are now gone, which is awesome to see. Good stuff, YouTube. And honestly, I'm really impressed with how fast this came around. Like 2 hours and it was gone. That's fantastic. Now let's just hope that doesn't happen again. But if it does, I may just leave the video up as extra awareness. Something to think about. Again, thank you so much for your support, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.